Hey foodies, guess what this is? It's a chocolate banana muffin I wanted to try for the kids this holiday. And please let the biscuit rest. I'm sure they will love it and so will you. All you need are some red bananas and a few simple things you probably already have at home. And guess what? No flour needed at all. Just grab some peanut butter and 2 eggs. Blend them together till smooth. Pour that into a bowl. Then slice in 1 or 2 more bananas. The next step is to add a teaspoon of baking soda, half cup of cocoa powder and some chocolate chips and give that a good mix. Please just add few chocolate chips inside the butter for now and set aside the rest for later. After mixing thoroughly, you can now add 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, just enough to balance the flavors. If you're still here with me, please subscribe to my channel for more simple and delicious recipes. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Now proceed to scoop the batter into your muffin tray. If you don't have this tray, don't worry. You can also use baking pan, and for scooping, you can use a spoon or a piping bag like mine. Any of them is fine. Go ahead and sprinkle some of the leftover chocolate chips on it and bake on a low heat at 160 to 170 degrees for about 30 minutes. And there you have it, my people. Our chocolate banana muffins are ready to eat and they come out so soft. I mean very soft. In fact, you won't believe there is no flour in it. They are so rich in chocolate and so yummy. If your kids love chocolate and bananas, this is a must try. They taste even better when it cools down. Please subscribe to my channel for more and save this video for later. Thanks for watching. Bye.